In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Spotify Blend. A Spotify Blend is a fun, auto-generated playlist that merges your music taste with a friend's, giving you a shared mix you can both enjoy. All you need is the Spotify desktop app and a friend who also uses Spotify. I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the Spotify desktop app and make sure you're signed in. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to let it update so the blend feature appears properly. Once the app is open, look to the left sidebar for the search icon, usually a magnifying glass, and click it. In the search bar at the top, type the word Blend. Spotify will show a special suggestion for Blend. Select that suggestion. This takes you to Spotify's Blend Hub, where the feature lives. You'll see a prompt to start a new blend. This is the space where Spotify will eventually combine two people's listening data into one playlist. Click Create a Blend. At this point, Spotify sets up the blend shell, but it won't build the playlist until someone joins you. Think of this as creating the room before your guest arrives. Next, click Invite to get a shareable link. On desktop, this usually copies a unique link to your clipboard automatically. You can paste this link into a message, an email, or anywhere you chat with your friend. If you accidentally close the prompt, don't worry. You can click Invite again to grab the same link. Now send that link to your friend, tell them to open it, and tap Join. The Join action is what triggers Spotify to create the blend playlist for both of you. As soon as they join, Spotify compiles songs based on each of your recent listening habits and generates a shared playlist. You'll both see it appear, and you can start listening right away. Once your blend is created, you'll notice a cover that often shows a taste match score and tags that highlight which tracks came from whom. That's normal and part of the fun. Spotify is simply showing how your preferences overlap. You can add the blend to your library, follow it like any playlist, and come back to it later. Over time, it may refresh as your listening changes, keeping the mix feeling current. If your friend hasn't joined yet, nothing's wrong. You just need them to tap Join from the link. You can also repeat this process to make separate blends with different friends. And that's it. Quick, simple, and a great way to discover music you'll both love.